have to be your biggest fan. And
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Sunday in my life, a Sunday reset kind of video. So I'm just in the car and I'm headed to the grocery store. I'm going to grab groceries for the week, so I just thought I'd bring you along with me and we can start the vlog. It is seriously, it's so pretty out, like it's so sunny and gorgeous, and I'm just in the car. I'm gonna put the what's it called down, the sunroof, and you know, let the wind go through. Okay, so I just got to the grocery store and I got here about 7 minutes before it opens because our grocery stores don't open till noon on Sundays. So I'm just kind of sitting here waiting, and I just thought I would chit chat a little bit about my day. I have a list of all the things. That's like a really good tip if you are going to the grocery store. Meal prep, kind of like plan out your meals for the week, what you want to eat like for the week before you go in, so then you just like don't spend like a bunch of money on like a bunch of things. And then also I look at all the deals. I have an app that tells you like where things are on sale, so like the expensive things like meat, cheese, that kind of thing. I don't go to a bunch of different grocery stores, but I go to the one with like the most things on sale for that week, which this week it's Superstore, so I'm going there. And then that's a good little budget saving hack. Go to the grocery store with the most savings. I also bring a podcast, so I brought my AirPods, and like if it's super busy I'll just put one AirPod in, but if it's not busy I'll put both in and just put it on like a low, I'm just putting on some lip gloss, I'll put it on like a low speed or like a low sound, and then yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put on like meditation, not a meditation, but like a manifestation podcast, and I downloaded it when I was at home. Gonna do some grocery shopping, and there's not a ton of people here, so I think it should be good. I hate grocery shopping with a bunch of people, especially like after COVID. Like it's just, well, COVID's still going on, but like after the big spreads of COVID, because I don't know, I don't really enjoy that. So I'm just gonna grab my bags and put my AirPods in, and put on a good little pod and just kind of get the show on the road. And it's so beautiful today, so I want to do this really quickly. I want to see, it's literally 11:57 right now. I want to see if I can get out here by 12:30, so give me 30 minutes and we'll see how that goes. I find like if you put music on or you put a podcast on, it just makes it so much more enjoyable to go to the grocery store. At least that's what I find. So okay, so I'm done grocery shopping and it is 12:37. I should not have worn this long sleeve shirt. Like I thought it was be cold inside the grocery store, and it was so hot. Like I'm literally like almost sweating because it's so warm. Anyway, I'm gonna put the air conditioning on and I'm gonna drive home, unpack the groceries. I'll probably do a grocery haul. Hey guys, so I just got home from the grocery store and I thought I would do a little grocery haul as promised. So it's in no particular order, but I'm just gonna show you what I got. And everything was $147 Canadian, which is like, it's pretty expensive, just considering I got 4 bags of groceries. But anyway, I got a lot of stuff on sale. But anyway, so I got 2 loaves of this sourdough bread. This is our favorite bread to like make sandwiches with. Like, we use it for like a bunch of things. I make pizza toast, I do a lot of things with it. Got some mushrooms. I got a little thing of goat cheese for salads this week. I got a thing of plain Greek yogurt to mix with this key lime Greek yogurt. So I find this is too sweet, but then this is too plain, so I like to mix like one of these little things and then like a scoop or 2 of this, and like so it's like less sugar, more protein, but then you still have like the nice like hint of key lime. I got some ham for sandwiches, and then we're also doing like a pizza night tonight. I got 2 cans of pizza sauce. This is just like the no-name brand. I got a thing of queso cheese dip for our tacos this week. I got caramelized onion hummus because I thought it'd be good to like switch it up a little bit. This is the President's Choice. And then to go along with that, I got some naan dippers. So these are just like mini naans, and you can like either toast them. And then I got this antioxidant infusion Molokai coconut drink. This is what a Canadian YouTuber that I follow, she drinks this all the time, and I've always wanted to try it, so I saw that it was there, so I wanted to try it. Got another thing of sourdough bread, so good. Got 2 things of pizza mozzarella because we're doing a pizza night tonight, and we'll probably just freeze one, but they had a good deal. It was like 2 for $5, so I thought I would pick this up. Then I got small wraps, so we're gonna do like mini tacos this week, so we got those for that. These are just like the whole wheat plain tortilla. 2 cucumbers because they were 2 for $3, so I got these. These are from Nova Scotia. A bunch of bananas. I normally just let these get ripe and then I freeze them, and we'll put them in like muffins, we'll put them in smoothies. Got a thing of spinach. I couldn't find a small one, so I just got this big one, and like I'll use this in smoothies, sandwiches, salads, all sorts of things. Then we got Jane's chicken burgers, so we're gonna make chicken burgers and salad this week. And in this bag I got 2 green apples, 2 limes, 4 avocados, and 2 lemons, 4 Honey Crisp apples. I got a big bag of carrots, and these are from PEI, which is where I'm from, so it's nice local carrots. We have been getting like miniature carrots like for hummus and like snacks and stuff, but like the past few times we've gotten them, like they had like this weird smell to them and like this weird texture, like it's like a slimy texture. So we're just gonna go back to the Holy Grail. Favorite nacho chips, these are the Coup Pasta tortilla chips, organic, thin and crispy, so like cantina kind of style. Got a huge head of lettuce, so I'm gonna wash this, cut this up, and put it in a bag so it's ready to eat for the week. Some raspberries. That is everything that we got for the haul. So now I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like meal prep a few things. So like wash the lettuce, cut up the lettuce, and like put it in a bag so it's ready to eat. Wash these berries, soak them in a little bit of apple cider vinegar and water to like get all the yuckies out, and so they'll last longer, and then put them in a mason jar. Okay, so I'm gonna try this antioxidant coconut drink. So I'm just gonna crack some ice into a cup. I really hope this is good. Taste test. Oh, try this, Claire. You don't have to try it on camera. Tastes like summer, eh? Yeah. This is really good. Honestly, 10 out of 10. This would be really good if you had like coconut rum and put like a little bit of pineapple. So there's 1 gram of sugar and 10 calories per the bottle, and there's 65 milligrams of caffeine. Okay, so this is my lunch. So I'm kind of making like a little snack plate. So I have homemade guacamole and salsa in this bowl. I've got some warmed up Katina nacho chips. I've got some caramelized onion hummus with like 3 little pitas and some carrots. So I just wanted to make something like to hold me over till dinner because it's 1:30, but we're gonna have like a bigger dinner. So I just wanted to make like a little snack plate. I'm just gonna sit here and watch some Disney Plus. Just eat this and enjoy it. This hummus is seriously incredible. It's so good. If you like caramelized onions, you would really like this. It's very good. Are you a good boy? Can you say hi, YouTube? Can you say hi, YouTube? Okay, so I'm just cleaning my office and I've gotten like all my dirty laundry and stuff out of there, but I have this plant that keeps knocking over because I like to keep like my work, well, it's like my personal planner and then my work notebook. So I like to keep those there, but whenever I like am like turning over or like my chair like knocks into it, it always knocks this plant over. And as you can see, I have a bunch of dirt on this bed, and I'm gonna get rid of some of my plants or like combine them. I'm gonna switch around these plants. For these plants, like this plant's dead, and that one's dead. So I might like move some of them around. Like this one's still doing really good, so I'll keep this one, and then I just need to water this one. But things just need to be moved around a little bit because this room gets so much sunlight, just like the way it faces. And then I want to do a bunch of laundry and then clean my room downstairs on this lovely Sunday afternoon. I was outside for probably 45 minutes and I got a little bit of color on my face too. But yeah, I'm just trying to go out in short spurts so I don't get burnt. So that's my goal for tanning. Anyway, I'm going to vacuum this, and I really should go through these cubes and get rid of stuff because I really need to like decrease the amount of things that I have, and I need to go through my closet, but like that just seems like such a big task for today. I might do that tomorrow and film like another spring cleaning, but we'll kind of see how that goes. But I just have a YouTube video on and I'm just gonna continue to clean, and then I'll check in with you later. Okay, so update. Office is 100% clean. So I have my duvet cover off, washing it. So whenever it washes, dries, I'll put it back on. I just like rearrange the pillows just in the meantime. And then here is this area. It literally looks so much cleaner. So this is my own personal planner. And then I have my two work notebooks that like I do my to-do list in. I have my candle, diffuser, and then two of my little plants. My Nana gave me this plant. It's just still so tiny, but this was her mother's china. So I'm just keeping it in there, and I hope I never break it because I love it. It's so cute. So that's one of my little plants, and then I need to do something with this plant. Like it's so toppling over, but this is all cleaned off. And then I cleaned off my desk and like cleaned it all off there. This is my work phone, and then I have like eyeglass cleaners, and then my jewelry I just put in there because sometimes if I'm on a call and I want to like put on some jewelry, I'll just leave it there. My work laptop, and then my work like monitor, and then these are the rest of the plants that I'm keeping. So these are all the healthy ones, and I just watered them all, so they're all looking good. But yeah, look at the sun that comes in here. Like it's seriously, it's gorgeous. So yeah, my battery on my camera is blinking, so I'm gonna go, and right now I'm just gonna do a bunch of laundry, like literally like so much laundry. So I'm gonna go put all that stuff in, organize it, and then I'll let this charge, and then I'll come back to you later. Okay, so it's been a minute, and literally I've just been cleaning. I cleaned the basement, downstairs, like the downstairs bathroom, my bedroom. I vacuumed the whole basement, and then I took a bunch of my like clothes, because like I always like hand dry my Lululemon stuff and like all of my delicate kind of stuff, more expensive things. So I have like a basket full of that stuff. I was literally wondering where like a lot of my clothes went, and turns out it was on the drying rack. So I went and I folded everything just downstairs, and I just brought it up, and I'm gonna put everything away. And I'm still waiting to put stuff in the washer and dryer because someone butted ahead of me in the line. We all wait until Sunday to put stuff in the washer and dryer, and it's always a fight on who gets there first. Anyway, I was nice enough, and I let I didn't know, but he jumped in line and put a bunch of his stuff in there. So I'm just waiting for that to be done, and then I'm going to put my stuff in, and I have 2 loads to do. But yeah, I also did my hair and my makeup because My aunt and uncle are coming over for dinner tonight, and we're doing like a pizza because we have a pizza oven, so we're doing like a big like pizza night. And then I have a few friends coming over just for like a little deck hangout on our backyard. But I have to say, there's literally nothing better than having like a clean space. My bedroom is clean, the bathroom downstairs that I use all the time is clean. Like I clean my makeup brushes, like I did my makeup and my hair, and like just look at the sun coming in my office window. Like it's literally, it's gorgeous. Like it illuminates the room so much. Like I don't have any lights on and it literally just looks so good. Anyway, so it just makes me super happy, and I don't know, just the summertime makes me super happy. So yeah, I've literally had like the best day ever. Just even just like I was at home, I was grocery shopping, I was just doing like random things, but there's literally nothing better to me than just like chill, hung out with my family, hung out with my dog, I read a bunch. Anyway, I'm going to unload this basket and put everything away so my room stays organized, and then I'll check in later whenever more people come over. So hey guys, so I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. I didn't get a chance to do an outro, so I just thought I would insert this video clip of Frank being cute, sitting outside. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!